Hi friends, today I am going to demonstrate how to draw individual facial parts such as the nose, ears and lips. For this demonstration, I will be using Bristol oil paper. This is the A3 size. Practicing individual facial features is a great way to build a solid foundation for portrait drawing. Eyes are the most expressive part of a face. Practicing drawing them from different angles help you understand their structure and how they convey emotion. Lips come in different shapes and sizes and they change expression with movement. Practice drawing lips in various positions to understand how they interact with the rest of the face. Ears can be tricky due to their complex structure and placement. Drawing them drawing them from different angles help you understand their proportions and how they fit into the overall head shape. Notice how the ear shape change depending on the angle you view it from. By focusing on and practicing these features individually, you will better understand each one and how they come together in a portrait. Once you are comfortable with each feature, you can combine them to create more accurate and confident full portraits. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And we will meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye.